2012. Since 2008, ISAR Kolkata has periodically organized several scientific meetings on emerging topics. To showcase departmental activities, the faculty and the students of ISAR Kolkata have been provided a platform for interacting with other researchers across the country through Department Day celebration. This initiative started in 2012. Notably, the faculty members have been attracting significant support for their research from funding agencies in India and abroad. We have now a total of 78 sponsored projects that have attracted funds to the tune of about 37 crores. New research facilities are being added to strengthen scientific infrastructure for research, the top priority of ISAR Kolkata. Research output, as reflected in terms of number of publications in international journals, is increasing steadily. I'm happy that this year, 2012-13, our faculty members have published about 156 articles, including research papers in journals of international repute, in book chapters and books. Notably, our UG students have published 3 research papers and scientific officers 7. Thanks are due to a vibrant community of BSMS students, integrated PhD students, PhD research scholars, scientific officers, and faculty members. We need not forget that enhancement of the output is collective, yet an individual responsibility. KVPY summer camps were conducted during 2008 and 2012. Every year, we also conduct a summer research program which is attended by about 80 students. We also conducted a workshop for teachers last year, sponsored by the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore. We also held many public lectures in venues such as Science City, Kolkata, to disseminate the excitement of science to school students and the general public. ISAR Kolkata aims to be the leading center for research and education in basic sciences in this part of our country. ISAR Kolkata is also active in science outreach activities in the region. We are determined to work harder to scale greater heights. Sports and other co-curricular activities are encouraged by ISAR Kolkata, and the students are given every form of support to develop their talents in all fields. Our students are encouraged to widen their knowledge base and study beyond the confines of the syllabus and express themselves through their own student-hosted magazine, Muse. Notably, the students of ISAR Kolkata initiated the Science Fest in Quivester, which is unique in its nature nationally. Apart from engaging in scientific activities, students and faculty of ISAR Kolkata are also involved in various social and co-curricular activities. ISAR Kolkata is proud to start a new initiative, Center for Excellence in Science, Space Sciences, India, supported by MHRD. I hope that this report has adequately reflected the multidimensional academic and scientific activities of ISAR Kolkata during 2006 to 2013. I'm sure that ISAR Kolkata will continue to strive to excel in every aspect of science education and research, fulfilling the set target. Dear students of graduating classes of 2006, 7, and 8, I once again congratulate each and every one of you on your splendid achievement. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the medal winners. You joined ISAR Kolkata when we could promise you nothing but uncertain future, but you stood by us. We sincerely appreciate your unwavering cooperation in going along with our mission and vision. You will be looked up as the pioneers by the future batches. You will always be distinct since you grew along with the Institute in the early years of hardships. Our sincere wishes are with you that each one of you attains great heights in whichever career you wish to pursue. I also salute your proud parents and family members for their cooperation. I hope that your time at ICAR Kolkata has imbibed in the values of integrity, hard work, excellence, and freedom of thought and expression in all of you. Your success today is a testimony to the fact that you have acquired an important skill to win despite all odds. I urge you to uphold these values, build on them, and bring glory to your alma mater and the nation. Many of you have chosen science-based careers, and I trust that the education you received here will be most useful to you in shaping your thoughts and deeds. I wish you all the very best to do well in whatever you choose to do. The ICAR Kolkata will be known by your deeds. We are very happy that today, during our first convocation, a sizable number of PhD degrees have also been awarded. Congratulations to all the fresh PhD degree holders and their supervisors. I wish to express our sincere thanks to Sri M.K. Narayanan, today's chief guest, for accepting our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. We are grateful to Professor C.N.R. Rao for accepting the Doctor of Science honoris causa from ICAR Kolkata, which is a privileged honor for us. Even though Professor Rao could not be present here today due to a prior commitment, his vision was instrumental in the creation of ICARs. On behalf of the faculty, staff, and students of ICAR Kolkata, and on my own behalf, I would like to thank MHRD for unstinted administrative and generous financial support. The former and present ministers and secretaries at MHRD have offered unwavering assistance. I am particularly grateful to the founder chairman, Professor C.N.R. Rao, from whom I constantly get invaluable suggestions. His successor, Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, during whose tenure I joined this institute, and our present chairman, Sri Pankaj Patel, for their guidance and unstinted support. I am indebted to members past and present of the Board of Governors and other statutory bodies for their advice and proactive role in providing effective management of the Institute. Thanks are due to a number of internal committees which are increasingly becoming a vehicle for collective decision making. I sincerely thank all the heads of the departments, deans of academic, faculty, research and development, and students. And last but not the least, the registrar and his team for the hard work they have collectively put in to run the institute on a structured mode. Since my joining this institute on February 1st, 2012, all my colleagues and students at ICAR Kolkata will have given unstinted support to me, and as a consequence of team effort, we have been able to bring development of this institute to its present stage. I am grateful to all of them. Even though the act was passed, we could not schedule our convocation last year. Therefore, it is a moment of immense pride and joy to see the first 3 batches of the BSM and dual degree graduating today, along with some PhD degree awardees. In closing, on behalf of the Institute, faculty, staff, and students of ICAR Kolkata, and on my own, I would like to once again express our gratitude to our chief guest, Sri M.K. Narayanan, and all of you for being with us here today and on this historic occasion to celebrate our first convocation. Jai Hind.